All right, so far we've forked the repository, we've cloned it, we've made changes to the repository in our own development environment, we've added those changes to our staging area, and then we have committed those changes to the local repository, and then we push those changes from the local repository to our remote repository, which is here in GitHub land. So now that we're in GitHub land, we want to make a pull request. So to make a pull request, let's type this step in right here. We want to go to this button that says contribute. We're going to hit this little drop down, and you're going to say open pull request. And when we make a pull request, we're asking that owner of the repository to consider looking at our changes, seeing if everything checks out, it's been tested, this could really add to the amazing published truth of our project, like great contribution. You have to make a pull request to kind of notify them that you have something that they should look at so that they can make their project better. So, open pull request, not dictionary. And then you'll get to this page called comparing changes. And don't worry about all this mess. Essentially, it's saying like, you have your name here / arcade, and we're trying to make a pull request for that owner, teacher, Taylor, to take those changes and merge it into this source code, this ultimate truth of the project, and make it and build on it. So we're going to hit create pull request. This took our commit message that we had in GitHub desktop in the name of our change, and it kind of automatically put it in there for us, so we don't even have to worry about it if we did our due diligence with that step, and we just hit create pull request. And everything looks fine. It's checking, it's saying that this branch has no conflicts, but what if you want to double check and make sure that your pull request went through? You can go back to the owner, which is teacher Taylor, and go back to that owner repository that holds the source code, and you can hit this button called pull request. Boop. And you can see that I had a pull request of update code template. And you can see like there's already a student who's figured it out. Congratulations. Cool. And I'm going to show you guys what happens then. Don't worry about this for your project. You don't have to do this, but I want to show you what happens when a pull request gets approved and we can merge your changes to this open source project. So I'm going to log into my teacher Taylor account, which is the owner of that repository. I'm going to type in my passphrase, and then I'm going to go open this up. Don't worry about this. This is not stuff that you are needing to do. I'm just showing you how a pull request gets merged. So I, teacher Taylor, am going to look at what this Taylor student did and check it out, make sure it looks good. I can do that by looking at the files that have been changed. Everything looks amazing. This is definitely going to be a better project. I'm going to hit this button called merge pull request, and then all of a sudden now, if we go back to the repository, all of those changes that we just made and we added and we committed and we pushed and we made a pull request for, they're just now a part of this new truth. This public teacher Taylor repository has the changes that you made. This is some powerful, cool stuff. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. All right, signing off. Good luck. If you have any other questions or it's not working for you, we're going to be doing office hours and we'll let you know when. Also, feel free to message on Discord Jesse or me or any of the UAs. We're here to help you. We're going to do this together.